guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do a slicked back bun. My hair's actually looking really good, so I'm kind of regretting because I've already decided I'm gonna do it today, so I'm gonna do it, but I'm just looking at my hair in the mirror now and it actually looks really good. I've made the decision now, so it's happening. We're ruining this hair and we're gonna do a slicked bun and we're gonna see how it goes because I'm not really used to doing buns. I've got this, this is for doing the parting, but actually my parting's already good from just how my hair's been throughout the week. And then I've got this brush. This is new actually. It's by Cantu. I got it from Tesco though. And that will help me like slick my hair back. And then I'm terrible with edges, but I got a toothbrush to do my edges with. As you can see, it hasn't even been opened because I literally never do edges. So then you also need some water and you'll need some gel. So I'm just using this gel. I don't have like a really strong gel. I don't really use really strong gels. So this is probably like the strongest I have and it's my favorite gel at the moment. So I'm just gonna use that. Oh, and obviously you need something to tie your hair back with. So I'm just gonna use a thin elastic because you don't want it to be like noticeable. Did I say it was gonna be a bun? It's not gonna be a bun, it's gonna be a low ponytail because I want my curls out. So firstly, you want to wet your hair to make it easier to slick. So, but only the top. So now I'm gonna take the gel. Taking my brush and just gonna get it as smooth as possible. I love this brush. I mean, this works so good. This is actually the first time I've used it. Actually, take the hair now, hold it back. And then I'm gonna tie the band round twice. I made a frizzy bit, that's annoying. Accidentally brushed it, but we can fix that. Recurling the pieces. Now I'm going to go in with the toothbrush. Okay, now to help it lay down, I'm just going to put a scarf. Okay, so I'm just going to leave the scarf on for 10 minutes to help it lay down, and that will keep it laid down flat. So it's been about 10 minutes actually, no it hasn't, it's been more like half an hour, and I'm going to take this off now. Just fluff out the ponytail a bit more. This was super quick and easy to do. I will say that that brush is amazing, and that is kind of the star of the show, so I might do this more often.